So down here in Kansas, and got here at about 11 o'clock from the airport. Mike Turner Carpet Cleaning. That's 2017. There's a 2016. And right off the bat, after doing my preliminary test, I saw a problem with the cat pump leaking, and it did run good. It ran good. It would probably run good for another, 1,500 hours. But because of our conversation that Mike and I had, he talked about just come down, Chip. You just rebuild my pump, and then he can go on without being trouble free and worry free for the next few years. He's got 2,153 hours on it, and owner operated, so he doesn't have any technicians that will beat it up. So I got his head apart, and right here it was leaking. There was some calcium built up. I cleaned up with some steel wool, and it was leaking across the bottom here. And so nothing out leaking underneath there. No, the oil seals are not leaking, and so I'm just gonna start rebuilding it. I would normally paint it. I just got done talking with Mike about painting it, but what's more important to him, which by the way would add another 2 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours maybe, to repaint it. I love painting them, you guys know that, but time is of the essence, so we're just gonna go and clean up everything I can and rebuild it for him, so it'll run top notch again. So we're doing Mike is testing his truck after all the repairs were done. He runs a little bit below 500, and Butler Chemical flow is right in the middle of those hatches.
This is yours. That's my pressure.
You got 400.
400?
400. What the heck is that?
That's that. Chip, thank you for all the help, man.
You're
I learned
welcome.
a lot, man. Thank you for coming all the way out to Kansas City, and I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And we're ready to put your emblem on it, okay?
That's right. It's getting
All right,
tagged. Another one's getting tagged.
Gotcha.
That looks nice.
Yes.
That black looks nice against that
It
gray.
does. I love my button you put in.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. So just as a recap, Mike requested I come down and rebuild his cat pump, and that was the first thing we did yesterday. I did. Put some shiny new sight glasses on his waste and water tank here. Didn't have to do much to the panel. I had to replace a high pressure valve that turns off the pressure reel. Got that done. Did an oil change on the blower and filled it up with grease again. And then
Flow meter.
oh yeah, new chemical flow hose, a single piece, brand new. Everything works excellent. Now he's just going to start it up and give it one last run before we put the cover on. So. Perfect.